Our birds.
Hi.
Whoops.
Hi.
What time are we supposed to
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Here's another one.
Where
That was so cute when you were pressing the chirping sound.
Shopping! Oh,
Then it chirped
yes.
back.
Yeah.
My favorite is the yellow and green.
Wow.
This is the water.
Hey, you two make yourself a couple of pogos for supper.
Okay, I'm just gonna finish this video, please.
Never. Baba, can you
Yes,
put a pop in the freezer?
I'm doing it now already, so
Never.
can't stop
You know
me.
what I forgot to buy at Walmart, honey?
Yeah.
Oh my
You know what I
gosh.
forgot to buy?
Yeah, my chips.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie.
No.
No?
You said you wanted stinky feet chips. I got you stinky
Okay.
feet chips.
What'd you forget then?
Tropical popsicles.
Oh, yeah. Did they have any?
I don't know. I didn't get that far in the store.
Is it these two, Alex, that went into the box thingy? Well, at least one out of two of these went through a box that was taken into a store, then was put in a cage, then was taken out of a cage in a few minutes, then was put in another box, then was put in here. They had a long travel.
The green and yellow is a few.
I can see the pink on your nose. And he is in the others one else.
The big one is blue, purple. And I would
They're
say
so cute. I want to let them out.
to be determined on
I want to let them out.
It's a nice one to have babies though, nice green, yellow, fancy.
You're looking. He's wanting to come over to me, but he's like, eh.
Well, which one was it? The dark blue one?
Yeah.
I think, I wasn't sure, but I was gonna give him a chance. I think he was gonna stay in my hand without me actually running the whole thing.
Oh yeah?
The other two wanted to get the fuck out of my hand.
So you see like where their nostrils are?
Yeah, I can see it.
And see how it's
Dad,
blue?
you held one today?
See how it's blue?
Yeah.
That means he's a boy. The green one,
Is a female.
I think, is going to be female. And the white and blue one, we're not sure yet. I think that's what we
Dad, did you hold one though?
Yeah, we were pretty sure the green was female.
Yeah. Which one?
Oh, I had to hold all of them.
You held them?
Sure, let's put them back in the cage.
Oh, I want to hold one.
No, not yet. They're not tame. Even that thing says not to handle them for 2 to 3 weeks.
Really? So you get to hold them, but I don't?
Well, how
I'm
was he
trying
supposed to
train
put him
them
back in the
when
cage?
When everything's quiet, I'm trying to train them to come out. They don't even know how to fly properly.
I know that I keep seeing them stretching their wings out and stuff though.
Yeah. So every day when it's quiet, I can let them out to try and fly around a little bit.
I'm quiet. I keep them company while you guys are sitting on the computers and stuff.
Well, that's why there's 3 of them. They keep each other company as well.
Leave my babies alone. They're so cute. Okay, well I'm gonna have to end the video there. I'll see you guys next time. And I'll be doing more videos of them. I think I might start doing more videos. I'll do videos when they're in the cage, and I'll start doing a lot of them when they're out of the cage because it's gonna be so much fun. Yeah. We don't have names for them yet. We're picking names. We're putting a name on a piece of paper, and we're gonna put it in a bowl. And then in a week, I think, we're going to take the bowl out. There's 3, so we're all gonna pick out a name. And we're gonna see their names. Let's see, I pick out a piece of paper and it says Candy, I don't care. Then that's one of their names, but we have to figure the part out which is going to be their name of Candy. I don't know, I was just giving an example, but we are going to be doing that. But, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Cook pulled his